Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Fit spark plugs step by step. Start by warming the engine briefly, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Remove the air intake cover to access the ignition coils, label each coil, and use a socket and extension to remove old plugs. Gap and install new plugs by hand, torque to spec, reconnect coils, and reassemble everything in reverse order. Gather the right tools so the job stays smooth and safe. A spark plug socket, extension, torque wrench, gap gauge, and a small bit of dielectric grease make a big difference. Start with a clean work area and keep fasteners organized in labeled trays or tape. Take photos if you're unsure of routing or coil placement so reassembly is quick and confident with no guesswork. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. On another note, socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I actually wear them while wrenching. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for supporting these videos. Now let's get back to the video. When removing and installing spark plugs, go slow and steady to avoid stripped threads or broken porcelain. Clean the well of debris before extracting old plugs and blow it out if needed. Hand thread new plugs first to ensure proper seating, then use a torque wrench for final tightening. Reconnect coils in their labeled order, double-check connectors, and run the engine to confirm smooth idle and no misfires.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.